Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a swipe today. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas in front of me and I'm going to be using some of my pigments and a couple of my Amsterdam paints. I have got for Amsterdam, we've got Permanent Blue Violet. I'm also going to use the Greenish Blue. Also, these are all the standard series. I'm also going to do an Artist Loft Cadmium Yellow. And then my pigments are Primary Elements from the Bling It series. The Color Art Georgia Peach. I've got Palazzo Blue. We've got Crushed Velvet. And Bellagio Blue. As well as Little Piggy's Grenache. And that one's the Georgia Peach actually. It's kind of reddish. I think I have all my colors covered. Yes, I do. Alrighty. The other Little Piggies is Sangria. I'm not going to use Sangria. I'm going to put that aside. Okay, got all my colors covered. Let me just put these tubes aside. I've got white house paint on my canvas. And we're just going to see what happens with this swipe. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. All the thumbs up, all the comments. Keep them coming. Love reading them all. You really do make my day. Thank you so much for watching. Greg's going to hit some music. Let's have some fun. Again, thanks everyone.
This girl went to town at night. She got blinded by the fancy lights. Realized you cannot wait to live till tomorrow. So the girl stayed at the yard. She found all the things you have to know about life. What if Jesus had a brother? Singing Sunny Tuesday, 'cause Sunday's raining and I can't afford to give the answers knocking on my door. Feel less lady, ring the doorbell. I'm sitting in the living room with these ironic words. This man worked hard his life. He got really sick, he couldn't say goodbye. He found his own reason to be loving. There's a way that makes you feel stronger. Got you living at the time she wonders. Stay on tune, you'll get older. Singing Sunny Tuesday, 'cause Sunday's raining and I can't afford to give the answers knocking on my door. Feel less lady, ring the doorbell. I'm sitting in the living room with these ironic words. Would you believe in that? If the lie has made the down. Sunny Tuesday, ring the doorbell. That up, that up, that up, that up, that up. Feel less lady. Ooh, someday it's raining. Sunny Tuesday, 'cause someday it's raining. Can't afford to give the answers knocking on my door. Feel less lady, ring the doorbell. I'm sitting in the living room. the dove.
Do you remember those long summers? We played water fights, stayed up at night and dreamed of ways through the world. I still remember the first time I kissed you, the look on your face as I grazed your lips with my lips. Our worlds collided. Those were the days when everything was possible. Our dreams were alive. We had a fire inside. Those were the days. Those were the days. I'll always remember that cold night you told me we're not two, but we're gonna be three. In 8 months we'll be a family. Those were the days when everything was possible. Our dreams were alive. We had a fire inside. Those were the days. Right from the beginning, I knew that I loved you. Girl, we've got something amazing. It's just me and you, still so much to do. Right from the beginning, I knew that I loved you. Girl, we've got something amazing. It's just me and you, still so much to do. We've been together for as long as I can remember. We have history, made memories. I choose you and me, baby. These are the days, and everything's still possible. Our dreams are alive. We've got that fire inside. These are the days. These are the days, and everything's still possible. Our dreams are alive. We've got that fire inside. These are the days. These are the days.
Pushing my emotions, all these pictures in my head have got a reason not to tell you. I will let you guess instead. Seeing light in your eyes and the sun in your smile. Let's just sit and talk for a while. Seeing colors and flowers on the edge, and I try to catch myself, but I'm too far ahead now. Can you break? Is it safe? Can you hold? Run my way? Can you wait? Can you stay? Can you stop? to myself. Letting it all get to me, but oh, I've got to say I've never had as many trouble finding ways to get away.